Oh, this is Gary here from Pathways Homestead, and there's also my beautiful bride, Cindy, but you can't see her at all. And we're going to experiment today. Sometimes a lot of people say, you guys know how to make quite a few things and do quite a few things from scratch. How do you learn all that? We keep trying stuff. That's how we learn that. So today we're experimenting with our sourdough starter. I've been making a sourdough starter, and we're not big bread eaters. It's not good for us to eat lots of bread, and if we make a big loaf of good bread, maybe we'll eat too much. And I'm not a big bread eater even without that, but so we're going to try making other things. Today, one of the things we're going to experiment with is sourdough crackers. We have no idea if this is going to work. We might blow the kitchen up. I don't know. We'll see. If we call the fire department, it's pretty snowy today. I hope they can make it here. But we're going to try making sourdough crackers, and y'all come along with us and see how that goes. So now we've got our oven going. What do we do next?
Melt the butter.
Melt the butter. One. Two. Three. Correct?
Yep.
Okay. Now what?
Now you need a quarter teaspoon of fine salt. I just shake some fine. Here's fine salt. Just shake some in there.
Quarter teaspoon, huh?
Yeah, because I don't know how you get a quarter teaspoon out of that.
That's probably good.
Yeah. And then your dried herbs. There's a little bit of garlic left here if you want it.
Okay. We ended up grinding Cretan garlic for the last summer sausage we did, didn't
Right.
we? We used all it too. Didn't
Yes, we did.
Okay.
Then you need your onion, whatever, however much onion powder you want to put in it.
How much do I want to put in it?
I'd put a half teaspoon.
That smells really good. Okay.
And I'll stir it up.
No flour?
No flour.
Just the starter.
Just the starter.
Well, I'm going to tell you this, my starter was really runny.
That's okay. Yep. That's what the parchment paper is for on your.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Now what do we do?
Pour it on your parchment paper.
Just pour it out here, huh?
Yeah, hang on. Let me see if I got the camera where it'll see it. Okay, yeah, pour it on the parchment paper. You don't want to get too close to the edge. Or Okay, use your spoon to kind of spread it out a bit. Make it kind of thin.
Okay.
Cool.
That's chunks of onion powder.
It's okay. It'll be all right. Said you wanted about the same thickness all over.
Okay.
It's gonna go in the oven for a bit.
634.
10 minutes. You're just gonna cut them. Does it look like it baked any at all?
Some, but it's not done.
No, it's not gonna be done.
Okay.
You gotta
score them now.
You score them now, and then it's gotta bake another 20 to 50 minutes.
And you said put some salt on it?
Yep, sprinkle it with salt. That's probably good.
And pepper?
If you want.
Now I'm scoring crackers, right?
Mm-hmm. All right.
Loving up. Come on, I'll show them.
You're just gonna cut them. Does it look like it baked any at all?
Some, but it's not done.
No, it's not gonna be done.
Okay.
You gotta
score them now.
You score them now, and then it's gotta bake another 20 to 50 minutes.
And you said put some salt on it?
Yep, sprinkle it with salt. That's probably good.
And pepper?
If you want.
Now I'm scoring crackers, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Right, now they go back in the oven for 20 minutes and you check them.
Okay.
Sorry, I messed up. You probably should have put that on there before they
It's alright.
baked them.
I just put that on half of them.
Okay.
Put them back in here for how long?
For 20 minutes and check them.
20 minutes. 46, 56, 706. That's probably a good thing. Alright, we're going to let those soak for a little while. Alright, it's been 20 minutes. We got pork steaks cooking too. And we're going to check the crackers. What am I looking for?
We're looking for them to be done.
How do I know when they're done?
I don't know. Do they look like crackers? They still wobbly?
Still pretty pliable.
Okay, then I'd let them go.
I'm going to put them back in there. more tortilla-like than cracker-like right at the moment. But really good. The flavor's amazing, isn't it? They need to cook a little bit longer, but the flavor's amazing. So, I'm going to finish cooking pork steaks and keep an eye on those. Keep an eye on the crackers. And we'll see how they turn out. We're going to check these crackers. I think those look done. Don't they look done to you?
Sure. It's hot?
Yeah. What do you think?
I don't know. They make crisp. Yeah, I think the bottoms look pretty crispy.
That one?
Yeah,
Ooh,
that one's
done.
definitely done.
Okay, we're going to call them done.
Okay, taste test one. Oh,
They need to
pretty.
cool off. All right.
Time has come to give them a try.
I'm going to try one. Oh, no. Those are actually very good.
They are. Tastes like a Cheez-It, like Cheez-Its used to taste years ago.
Yeah, I guess, and there's no cheese in it.
Mm-mm.
So I guess the sourdough gave it that. That's like amazing. That's worth a sourdough starter just to make that.
I agree.
I think that's what our sourdough starter is for, is these crackers. We are cheese and cracker and summer sausage people.
Mm-hmm.
You guys have seen some of our charcuterie board stuff, and this would be great for that.
This is good.
So, yeah, this was an amazing recipe. We found it on the interwebs, and we tried it out, and it worked amazingly. We didn't even have to tweak it.
Mm-mm.
So, you guys, don't be afraid to try new things. This was complete trial. We had never done this before. You guys got to see it raw and in person. But don't be afraid to try new things. That's how you learn.
Mm-hmm.
And that's how we've learned. That's how Cindy and I have learned all the stuff we know is because we try it.
Experiment. Play.
Yeah, experiment. And a lot of times it usually blows up in our face a time or two till we get it right. This one was straight out of off the bat, good to go. So this was an amazing recipe. Hope you guys try some crackers and try other things. And remember that God made you special.
And He loves you very much. God bless y'all. Have a good day. Again.
I was told once that I had looks that could melt butter. Or fry an egg or something, I don't know. This must be what it feels like to be you. You know what?
Oh my mercy. I cannot believe you said that to me. I know.
After I said that, she might not think that was a joke.
Oh, I did. Just that I can't. But if I get an excuse to pick on you, especially get an excuse to tickle you, I will. Pull me over. All right.
Loving up. Come on, I'll show you. I gotta get the oven starting knife.
Turn it on, and then you use your oven starting knife.
325.
325.
Give it a few minutes to
Yep.
get all good and warm.
I can trim all this out.
Yeah.
Although they might be interested in our.
The actuator is giving us problems on our stove, so sometimes it needs a little encouragement. I'm gonna encourage it.
Without blowing the house up.
Oh, great.
I think you need to give it a little bit. Bless your heart, just
What?
laying in the floor.
Well,
I know.
I'm going to get up and then get back down. There we go. I encouraged it.